We are back in Maui. We are on a mission to find the sea turtles. Walking down to Honolulu Bay. I guess it's the #1 snorkeling spot in Maui. We're walking through like a little path with a tree tunnel. It's pretty cool. And we're gonna find all the turtles and dolphins. Alright, it should be like a quick walk down this path to reach the bay. It's a marine reserve, so there should be a lot of sea life down there. Alright, we just got here and the tour is already here. So let's get in the water quick.
Can you untie this? I got it.
Look at these trees, like a tree growing.
It's a tree, tree.
Yeah. Another one of the best snorkeling places that I just found, or not just found, but looked up. It's called, I forget the actual name of the bay, but it's called Slaughterhouse Beach. And here is the beach right here. Here's the beach right here. And then to go snorkeling, good snorkeling spots, is over that bend right there. So in that little bay, the little pocket, right there is where all the good fishes in the coral are. And I found like I saw like three or four turtles. So it's a pretty good area. yeah, really nice day out. Now we're gonna go back to the car and head down to Gahi, find some food, some shopping areas, and see what we can get into up there or down there. What's up, guys? I'm over here in Lahaina. I'm at Mala Boat Ramp. So this is an old fishing pier that it's all torn down now, so it must have happened because of like a storm or something like that. But this is a great dive spot, so I'm about to jump in there. Hopefully I can find like some turtles, some cool fish or something like that. It is so clear, so I'm about to dive in. Hopefully, let's use this GoPro Hero 11 that I just got in my hair. Let's use this GoPro Hero 11 that I just got and see if we can find some animals, some water life in the underworld. Let's dive right in there.